Hello friends, we have what you want. Subscribe to Chennai Minds.
Hello, my name is Rags. Today we are going to see about accounting. Accounting, a record for business. Accounting, in a broader way, we do accounting for three different purposes. One is managerial accounting, which is used within the organization for staffs and managers and MDs and even for the owner. And the next one is financial accounting. It is used for public and it is published to public and shareholders who has bought the shares of the organization. The last one is tax accounting. It is especially for the tax department and for income tax that has to be paid by the organization to the government. So these are the three different purposes of accounting. In financial accounting, there are two ways of doing financial accounting. One is income statement, which is also known as profit or loss statement. And the other one is balance sheet. So obviously a balance sheet is a historical data of companies' spending and earnings. So in balance sheet, we considered liabilities, that is, liabilities are something that is debt of the organization that the organization has bought from others for its convenience. The next one is asset. Asset is the property or the land or the goodwill that has owned by the organization, which will be useful in future for the organization. Then last one is shareholders equity. It is the owner's investment in the company or the public's investment in the company. So here we can easily understand these asset, liabilities and shareholders. Liability, it is given to the organization. Shareholders equity, it is given to the organization, which together forms asset, because there should be any source that should be there for the organization to buy something. So liabilities and shareholders equities, which gives the money power to the organization so that they can buy assets. That's it, friends. Thank you.